Scroll through YouTube right now, and you will find digital entrepreneurs making a highly specific promise. They claim you can build a faceless channel using AI to generate $72,000 a month in just 60 days. This pitch appeals to beginners seeking the massive revenue of a media empire without the vulnerability of ever stepping in front of a camera. However, an audit of that $72,000 figure reveals it does not come from a verified YouTube Studio dashboard. It is an estimate from a third-party tool guessing ad revenue based on public view counts. This chart compares a realistic starting view count against the requirements for $70,000 in monthly ad revenue. While most new channels pull a few thousand views, hitting those high-income claims requires generating 10 to 20 million views every single month. Most gurus pitching this strategy make their money from 10% recurring software affiliate commissions and paid community access, rather than the channels they show on screen. These 60-day income claims function as deceptive marketing, even though the underlying AI technology used to produce the videos is real. Legitimate faceless channels function as calculated media companies. Their profitability relies on high CPM niches, categories where advertisers pay massive premiums to reach specific, high-intent audiences. Categories like personal finance, complex B2B enterprise software, and commercial real estate are prized by advertisers because a single customer in these sectors is worth thousands of dollars. A generic entertainment channel often follows a flat revenue trajectory, while specialized finance and tech tutorials see revenue climb sharply. Because single views are worth more, specialized channels surpass massive entertainment channels with a fraction of the views. Niche selection is an economic decision. Targeting a specialized audience allows a faceless channel to scale profitably without relying on viral luck. Generating high-quality content efficiently requires treating Claude AI as a strategic creative director that functions through highly specific prompting. This starts with an AIDA prompt: attention, interest, desire, action, instructing the AI to craft a high-impact pattern interrupt for the video's first 10 seconds. This framework ensures the AI writes a tight, retention-focused script rather than a generic essay. Once the script is finished, a synthetic voice generator converts the text into a foundational audio track with natural cadence and texture. Visual generation tools then scan that audio track to rapidly assemble matching B-roll and graphics, turning a 4-hour manual edit into a 30-minute automated process. However, YouTube's algorithm actively demonetizes channels that upload unedited, 100% automated AI content. Human editorial oversight, fact-checking, and intentional visual pacing remain mandatory to keep an audience engaged. This AI stack grants a single person the leverage and output of an entire production studio for under $100 a month. Real success requires navigating the ghost phase, a mandatory 90-day period where the YouTube algorithm slowly calibrates a new channel's audience. This diagram shows the typical growth curve. You can expect a prolonged flatline for the first 3 months, requiring 35 to 50 high-quality uploads before the algorithm finds your audience. Maintaining that output requires 10 to 15 hours of consistent, uncompensated weekly work. Relying solely on AdSense leaves a new business vulnerable to fluctuating advertiser rates. Successful operators stabilize their income by integrating high-ticket affiliate links directly into their video descriptions. The final tier of monetization involves selling digital products, turning passive viewers into a predictable customer base. This labor-intensive timeline is the reality of the business, regardless of the get-rich-quick claims seen in viral ads. While Claude AI won't generate $72,000 next month while you sleep, treating a faceless channel like a disciplined media asset is a realistic business model for 2026.